it'll be interesting to play a villain, maybe if someone offers me.
And expecting a national award?
I don't know, yeah. I mean, let's not expect, but nahi milega, so I'll feel really bad. So let's not expect that.
Taapsee Pannu. Give it a round of applause, everyone. How are you feeling today?
The fact that you're in Mumbai, definitely you are almost fully nautical. And this particular dress, and see, frankly speaking, I'll tell you one incident. When I was coming here, one of my friends told me, "Are you going to Nautica event?" I said, "Yeah." "Are you getting some free goodies? You better get some for me." So I'm like, all people want me to be in their lives is for free goodies for all these brands. Well, sadly, that guy doesn't get anything.
Yeah.
I do.
Exactly. I'm just like, no, I'm keeping my free goodies. They're so great. Why would I part with them?
Yeah, I really love the comfort factor this brand has. I mean, because when you are around for events or even when you're chilling, you need to wear something which is extremely comfortable. So I guess this is synonymous with comfort.
You're looking great, and as your recent movie, we got to see you, and it is getting a great applause as well. And now we just got to know your fashionable instinct as well. So, do you have some plans to work up in fashionable movies like Dhoom and all that?
If now people agree and are convinced that I can act, they can give me a chance in some movie like Dhoom where I can show something other than acting. I would love to be a part of it.
What does fashion means to you, since we know your favorite colors and everything,
Okay,
and which is
so-
pink apparently? So,
I think this question we've been asked only 1,084 times what fashion means to us. But basically, I think fashion for me is something which doesn't overpower your personality, but kind of blends in so well, it almost looks like your skin. So something that's extremely comfortable and you can carry it off where your personality shines out. I think that's what fashion is for me.
Are you really scared of fashion police in general or something like that?
I don't give a damn.
But has it ever happened that you've been perhaps called out or judged because of the clothes that you were
Yeah, of
wearing?
course, I do. We all have good and bad days. I'm as normal as any one of you. We have good hair day, bad hair day, good clothes day, bad clothes day. So it's okay. It's only normal. Proves I'm as normal as possible.
if you were to ask you who's your idol in Bollywood style icon, who would it be?
A lot of girls are doing a really good job. I wouldn't choose one. If you want one particular name, it will be unfair to a lot of others. I think there are a lot of them doing a good job there.
In men, maybe? I don't know.
Okay, fine. He's done a good job today. Let me be very nice to him today, at least. He's done a good job, huh?
Not again, how are you feeling about it being here?
I think this is one of the brands we all know of, at least the ones who love comfort and style together. So definitely it felt great when I got a call for this particular event, and I feel even happier because I get to take a few clothes back home.
Taapsee, the film is doing really, really well. I mean, people are watching it again and again. So happy the fact that the message is translated well in the fashion.
Who wouldn't be happy if the message is translated well, when especially your film is received so well by critics and audience together? So this is one of those rare situations where our critics and audience agree with each other. So I'm really enjoying this time. I'm making a full use of this happiness, and I hope I get some time to sit back and relax and absorb this happiness. Right now I'm immediately started shooting for Shabana, so kind of celebrating shooting another good film.
Is there a possibility of a sequel ever happening?
Of
Pink?
I think Shujit sir should answer that. I don't think I'm the right person to answer that question.
There were news that it's going to be tax-free, is it true?
Not as yet that I know of, because no announcement of such sort has been made. I mean, there were people wanting it, but I don't know how much government has responded. Anything else? Done?
Project,
I have Naam Shabana, and before that I have Makhna with Saqib, and Tadka I've done with Ali Fazal. So these are the few films that I've done.
Would you call Pink the most memorable film of your career till date?
Not only my career, my life, because it kind of changed a lot of things in a lot of people as well. It's become more than just a film, so it will be a memorable experience in my life.
How has the film industry opened up after Pink?
Obviously people have started offering me even stronger roles. But after Baby itself, I got a lot of interesting stuff. All the things that I've been doing and which are going to release next year are all that I got after Baby itself. But this has kind of elevated it further, the intensity of the kind of stuff that I'm getting. So now from next year onwards, whatever I shoot will be the after effect of Pink.
Having worked with Bachchan and Pink, what other role would you like to have? I mean,
I think I have never really thought of any particular. I've already done quite a variety of roles till now, and even in the films I'm doing. But in the future, it'll be interesting to play a villain. Maybe if someone offers me.
and expecting a national award?
I don't know, yeah. I mean, let's not expect. But nahi milega, so I'll feel really bad. So let's not expect that.
What was your reaction when the government is sending back all the Pakistani actors back to Pakistan?
I think you should ask their reactions, not mine.
What do you think about it?
I have no reactions on that because I am not being sent back. So sorry.